Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is the 68 GTX. Beautiful restoration and you're gonna love checking it out. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it on the lift so you can check out the underside. We'll get out and drive it. We're gonna look inside the trunk. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your GTX investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up for you right now. All right, check out this 68 GTX, looking great. The chrome on the front bumper looks good. The grill's in great shape. Now the paint on it is phenomenal. The painter did a beautiful job. It's got a really light metallic in it, and he did a beautiful job getting it on there nice and even, just looking gorgeous. When you look down the side of this big long beast, she is straight as an arrow. Did a beautiful job blocking this car out before they painted it. Look down the side of it. Look at all the reflections. Looks like a big green mirror on there. Now this vinyl top, it's got a true alligator top on it. I tell you what, I love Mopar's vinyl tops, and then this one happens to be that light shade of green. Looking beautiful. Door jam's nice and clean. Rubber's been replaced. Door panel looks good. Armrest looks good. Carpeting in there looks like it's new. Center console's in good shape. Steering wheel looks awesome. It is an automatic car. We do have seat belts in the front and in the rear. Package tray's nicely covered back there, looking good. Headliner's in good shape. Dome lights working. Dash pad itself's in good shape. The lens on the gauges there looks great. The faces of the gauges look good. The overall dash is in beautiful shape. Now all the stainless here, all the stainless is in good shape all the way around. Again, paint works straight as an arrow. Tailpiece on the trunk looks like it's in good shape. Chrome on the back bumper looks brand new. It appears to have the right exhaust tips on it. Now inside the trunk, look at that. Looks like factory brand new in there. We got jack, lug wrench, spare tire. That floor looks like it's freshly painted and brand spanking new, looking great. You look down the side of the car on the passenger side, again, straight as an arrow. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we spend the time to check these cars out before we buy them. When we get them back here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer all your questions. So call Tom at 248-974-9513 and he'll tell you all you need to know about this car. Right now we have a little over 240 cars in stock and we own every one of those cars. So you can bet we took the time to check them out. Now I'm involved in buying every one of those cars and we brought in over 45 cars last month. So what that means to you is you're getting my expert help picking you out a dream car. All right, let's take this GTX for a ride. Tell you what, you want to talk about one sweet restoration. This is one beautiful car, guys. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this GTX anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513, and Tom will tell you just how easy that process is. This thing is gorgeous. Now, if you want some help with financing too, we've got about 3 banks we're working with on financing, and they'll take the loan out 10 years. So we make it super easy so you can park this dream in your drive. And I tell you what, she's making some power too. That's about quarter throttle there. You push this accelerator down, it sets you back in the seat and away you go. Even the horn's working. We'll get down here and we'll take a nice close look at the dash here when we get around the corner up here. Now don't forget, we're real close to the airport, so if you'd like to drive in and check out this car in person, we'd love to have you. Now we don't get a lot of visitors because most people buy sight unseen, but come on out, we'd love to show you our inventory. See the dash, take a look at everything. Looks like it's working here on the dash. Speedo's working, everything's nice and clear and clean. All the chrome looks good. It's got the stock radio in it, which is, I can hear it clicking on, but it's not playing any music. But of course, it is just an AM radio, so all you're gonna get on that static anyway. I'd rather listen to that exhaust. Listen to this thing. I tell you, it wants to go. It is an amazing ride, guys. So we're also open on Saturdays, so if you're one that would like to drive in and check out our inventory in person, we'd love to have you come on out, hop in your car. We're here till 3 o'clock. Just call Tom, let him know you're coming so we can have your favorite ride right up front. Because we do have 80,000 square feet and over 230 cars in stock. So we may have to move a couple of cars to get your favorite car out on the road so you can check it out. Now, if you want to send out an inspector, no problem whatsoever. We can get the car up on the lift for you. We're going to show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision. Now, stick with us. This is our building right here. We're at 15100 Keel Street, and we're going to get it up in the air for you right now so we can show you exactly what you're investing in. All right, we're underneath this GTX now, and I tell you what, it was rotisserie restored. The drop downs and the extensions look brand new. The floor looks brand new. All the frames look brand new. I mean, it looks like a brand new car under here. The tank is definitely new. The exhaust is new. I tell you what, it is beautiful under here. It is just gorgeous. They've done a nice job painting everything. Right around the 355 gear, and it is a sure grip. It does have drum brakes, and the guys will pull those apart, make sure they're in good working order. I see new parking brake cables. I see new bushings on the sway bar. It's got stock appearing mufflers. The drive shaft's got a nice finish on it. The floorboards up here look all original to the car, and they are beautiful. The pinch weld looks good. Bottom side of the rocker looks good. We got new fuel lines running front to back. We got new brake line running front to back. We got the numbers matching trans in here and the numbers matching 440. We do have drum brakes up front. All the steering gear also looks brand spanking new. The sway bar bushings up here look brand new. The K-member looks brand new. Core support looks good. Back side of the bumper's even nice and clean. And the front side looks like brand new chrome. It is a gorgeous car underneath. You're gonna have to invest in some mirrors so you can show off the bottom side of this when you go to the car show. Let's look at wheels and tires. All right, up front we got Magnum 500s and BFGs with white wall. 215 7014s, and look at even the paint work up in there. Got beautiful green paint up there. Look at the bottom side of the rocker, the bottom side of the front fender. Everything is gorgeous. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here, let's see if I can find the size back here. 215 7014s again, and we do have the Magnum 500s. They're looking brand new, and again, the rocker looks gorgeous, the rocker molding looks good, that pinch weld looks good, that torque box looks awesome, the bracket there where the leaf springs bolted up, all that looks brand new. Like I said, she looks like a brand new car. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here we have the numbers matching 440. It's got an 800 Edelbrock 4-barrel on it, stock appearing distributor, stock appearing coil, firewall's nicely painted, all the hoses look period correct, all the clamps look period correct, the radiator looks period correct. It's got the exhaust manifolds on it. It does have manual brakes, but it does have power steering. Everything under here looks brand spanking new. What a beautiful restoration on this car. I tell you, looks like it pulled right out of the showroom floor right now. Hey guys, call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.